Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to retouch an image using actions to do that. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial videos coming up. So for now, let's just get started. So this is the image I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to duplicate the background layer. Is either I drag it down here or I will press Control Command J on my keyboard. So I'll just hit the Command J to duplicate the layer. So once I'm done with that, I'll come to my action here, and if you guys are interested in getting this action, just get to the description box. You'll see a link, just hit it and it will take you to where you can get the action and also loot on it. So I'm just going to click my action. So after clicking, it's going to show me the Gaussian blur box. So I'll just change the ratio to 4. So once I hit 4, I'm okay with that. So that 4 is the ratio I'm going to use on this image. So after doing that, I'll come right here, I'll pick on my mixer brush. Make sure you change it to a clean brush from here. So you just come right here and you change it to a clean brush, and also make sure the weight is at 30, the load at 30, and mix at 30, flow also at 30. So you come and select the low frequency layer, because the low frequency layer is actually for the skin color and the high frequency layer is actually for the skin texture. So I'll just select the low frequency, which is for the skin color, and just bring it down. Then once I'm done with that, I'll just start brushing this image. So brushing this image is actually blending the highlight and the shadows, not getting rid of any, because I've been saying that in my previous video. If you have been following, you will know what I mean by that. So I'm just going to brush and just perfect this part also. And then I'll brush this. And you can actually see there are some blemishes on the skin. And just come here and make the brushing. I'm just trying to smoothen the face. So after I'm done with that, I'll just come pick on the clone stamp and make sure the opacity is at 98, so you reduce it. So while you're picking the blemishes, you won't have scar on the image. So I'll just pick some few parts. I think it's really obvious because I really want this image to look natural, so I won't take much of it. So I'll just pick few. Also take this part also off a bit, and this part. So I'll take these lines off, and same here, I'll repeat the same process by picking out the blemishes. And also you come to this point also and pick it out as well. So I'm just picking out the blemishes on the face. So when I'm done with this, I'll just I have some here. So after picking that, I have a bit few here. So after doing that, I'll just I'll pick on the mixer brush again to perfect the brushing I did at first. So I'll come here, I'll just smoothen the face really well. So you can see the part I'm using a bigger brush, the part I'm reducing the brush. So blend this part also. So on the face now you can see the before and after. I've actually smoothened the face. So I'll come to the neck part. I'll just brush as I did on the face. So as I mentioned earlier, I want the image to look natural, so I won't take a lot and I won't brush a lot of it. I'll do same here. So I'll come, still pick on the mixer brush again, perfect it. So I'm going right to the hand at this point. So I'm just going to brush. So I'll brush this a bit off. And I'll do same here. And I'll do the same also here. So after brushing this part, I'll pick on the chrome stamp again. I'll zoom it in just so I can pick some blemishes of the. So I'll just do this. Just pick a bit of it. Just take a bit of this off also. I'll just pick on the mixer brush again and I'll smoothen it much more better. So also on this other side too, I'll repeat the same process. So I'll just brush it gently. So what I'm doing, I'm blending the highlight and the shadows. The shadows are the dark part, while the highlight are the brighter part of it. So I'm not getting rid of any of them, I'm just trying to blend them together. So I'll just brush this area a bit also. So if I zoom it out, you can see the before and after. It actually smooth. I'll just perfect the brushing here. So after doing that, I'll come to the face also. I'll just do a finishing touch to it. So once I'm done with the face, anyway I see that the blemishes is much, I want to bring it down. I'll just do it now. I'll just take this off again. I'll select the mixer brush and I will add a finishing touch to it. So once I'm done, you can see them before and after. So this is actually how I get to retouch my image using the action right here. So if you are interested in getting this action, just check the description box here. I will see a link. Click on the link to purchase the action. So you can see the before and after of it. So this is how I got to retouch my image. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial videos coming. But for now, see you in the next video.